Clearly we are investigating a critical and extremely serious incident this morning. At around 8:20 the emergency services were called to Parsons Green to deal with what looked like an item exploding to a small degree on a tube train. There have been a number of people injured and we are still assessing the extent of those injuries. For the moment obviously the station and surrounding areas closed off whilst we undertake a thorough review. The matter has been declared a counter-terrorist-related incident and will be managed and controlled by the Metropolitan Police Counter-Terrorist Command. British Transport Police and the other emergency services will be assisting with that investigation as it unfolds throughout today. At this stage, we are still in the very early stages of the investigation, and it's too early to speculate on any next steps, but we will issue a further statement as we understand more about the incident. Thank you very much.